Yay! That's the money of the pig. Good morning. Welcome to my another vlog, guys. Ano ngayong araw? Today, i-dispose na namin, or we're going to dispose these 2 hogs over there. Oh, yeah. It's just only 2 of them, guys. Because this one is our boar, so dispose na namin kasi ano na sila, 4 months na sila, so it's time to dispose para hindi po kami matatalo. And besides, ayan o, we have 8 heads na i-fattening ulit, or we're going to hog race. So yung kita dito, or yung makuha na pera dito, or the money that we gain for these 2 hogs, I will going to build a new pig fence doon banda, because we're going to fattening this one, and this area is pampaano lang, yung mga mommy pig, just like this, and then the other one are going to giving birth on November 9. So kailangan ko yung space na kagaya nito, kasi yeah, it's very nice na mayroon siyang ganito, or we call it ipitan, para hindi po maipit yung mga babies, or the mom couldn't lying down her kids or her piglets. So ang ganda ng mga Dalmatian ko, guys. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda nila. Ang lulusog, very healthy, guys. They are just only 8. That's the reason that they are growing very fast. So this kind of piglets is very fast to, growing. Anyway, well, the feeds that I am using is commercialized, guys. So ayan, kailangan natin ng ganun para mabilis po ang paglaki nila, growing fast. Dahil kung hindi po kami gumamit ng commercialized feeds, matatalo po kami. Ayan o, yung aking boar, malapit na po siyang mangkasta, at mag-i-income din ako dyan. Yeah. So ito lang muna, guys. I am very thankful to God that He spared this mommy pig during the time of ano ba tawag ng sakit ng mga baboy before. Na po kami dito sa Iloilo, ESF, African Swine Flu. At yung town namin ay isa sa mga na hit ng African Swine Flu, at I am very thankful na naiwan po siya, hindi po siya nagkasakit. And ayan po, kasi syempre pag na po siya, nagkaroon po siya ng sakit ng swine flu, ay wala na po kaming pang kapital ng baboyan. Pero thanks to God na he spare this mommy pig. And then because of this mommy pig, we make another mommy pig over there from here. So probably dito, ewan ko kung kukuha ako ng another mommy pig dito. It's depend. Titingnan ko muna yung situation at yung paglaki ng mommy pig, ng mga biik, or ang paglaki ng mga, if they are growing better. And then I will gonna make another mommy pig for this batch. This is my project 103 kasi my project 102 was failure because of the mommy pig was giving birth. All of the piglets are died from the womb because of the solar eclipse. Those are one of the biggest factors if you are raising pigs, and then especially mommy pigs. And if it is having some solar eclipse, it will gonna die inside of the womb of the mommy, so ganun talaga. Sabi ko, it's just like an ipa or husk of your earnings, something like that. So ayan, 8 po sila, and I am very happy na God spare this mommy. So we're gonna see later if how much the total cost of these 2 hogs per kilo right now. Livestock or alive hogs is just like 170 per kilogram. So we were gonna see if how many kilogram each of them, and then we were gonna see how much I earn for this 2 hogs, and how much my expenses for this. Yeah, 3 of them I bought like 17,000, including the boar, because they are siblings. The boar is over there, including the boar, 17,000. The total price of these 3 of them. I bought this hogs from my sister Jeline. So we were gonna see if how much I was gonna look at if how many sacks that I bought for them, and I was gonna less the expenses plus the total price of the hogs, and I was gonna show you how much do I earn for this 2 of them. But I guess this one is already my gain, the boar. Yeah, this one, the boar, because I will not sell this one. I will gonna make that as, we call it lais. It means male hogs that could making pasta or making babies for another mommy pigs, something like that. So yeah, see you next video later. I will gonna tell you so that you have an idea. Alright, see you next video, guys. So this is the way that we, yeah, it's looking nasty, guys. But well, this is the source of my income, and this is another, way to earn some money. So that's the reason that I didn't feel like dirty for this. Yeah. They are already 4 months. Last October 10th. So that's the reason I need to dispose them, because if I will going raise them, I will gonna lose. So this one, I guess, is weighing like 80 kilogram. That's how I estimate. 80 or 83, something like that. Yeah.
The purpose why I made this top down, because of this pig, guys. Every time that we are going to sell the pig, we don't need to hire someone else to, to carry and bring the pigs over in slaughter. So, but I always paid also the payment over in the motorcycle, so that I have um, budget for the maintenance of the motorcycle that I got. I bought this motorcycle cash. It's just only like 49,000 pesos Philippine money, guys. And this one, I was thinking this color spotted is like 70 kilograms, but I was surprised that this one is 80 kilogram, guys. I was so surprised talaga, sorry about that. And the white one, did you see the white one over there? This white one is weighing like 93 kilogram, guys. So I was so very happy that these two hogs is making some. Actually, the total cost, or I mean price of this two hogs is like 29,425. Hello guys, welcome to my video again, and I will gonna tell you how much that I gained from these two hogs that I sold this earlier. So the total price of that hog is 29,425 pesos, and I was very glad that I make some money because of raising pigs. These two hogs, let's say for example, the total cost of the piglets when I bought the piglets, when I was bought the piglets, is 17,000 pesos, plus the total amount of the feeds that I bought it, it's kind of like 12,000 pesos. So 17,000 plus 12,000, it's cost like 25,000 pesos. So my gain is just only 400 pesos. No, 4,425 pesos. But the good thing, guys, is that the male hogs that I left over in my home, that is my boar. So that is my overall gain, guys. So the feeds that I bought from the, from the, that I use for them to feed them, is the gain that I would have is that boar already. So that boar, I would be gonna earning that if he is starting to casta in a different mommy pig. So in every casta I get one piglets. So soon probably by December, he will gonna start to making casta in some mommy pig. So thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate that you stay on this video and enjoy this video. And yeah, I know that there are some Filipinos that making a livelihood just like what I have. Yes, guys, I know that you are agree with me that my gain is my boar or male pig.
Yay! That's the money of the pig.